Well, we're back with the Manson Lathe. This is a kind of viewer request video, really. Rob and Matty have both asked me if I would show the Manson Lathe cutting some brass. So I prepared a bar of brass, which is roughly the same size as the bar of cast iron that we used in the previous video. It's 1.5 inch in diameter. And again, as I said previously, I'm not sure how well this is going to work because this lathe is only running about 1/5 of the speed that you would normally be turning brass of this size at. But we'll give it a go. So I'm going to move the camera around so you can actually see what's going on. Okay, here we go. Very fine cut. I'm not going to put too much of a load on it. There we go. Oh, it's definitely cutting okay. Right, that looks pretty good to me. So that's very light cut, obviously, but we'll give it another go. Putting on a bit of a heavier cut this time. As you can hear, the pitch of the motor has changed. But it's cutting all right. And it's cutting very well. Yeah, it's struggling at that depth of cut though. But it's certainly cut the brass okay. Right, let me get the mic and we'll have a look at that. Let's stick the mic on there. Let's do it again. Make sure that we are getting a decent reading. Okay, 49850 I've got on the mic. 49850. That's on the original part. Now we'll stick it on the machine part. $49295. So let's do a quick calculation there. 5. So it's taken off at about 6 thou, something like 6 thou. So very light cut, and obviously it was struggling on the second cut. Let's move the camera so you can have a closer look at the actual bar. Yeah, so as you can see, the surface finish is pretty good. I mean, very good in fact. But obviously, it's brass is a sticky metal, and Yeah, it's really struggling to take even a couple of thou off at that sort of speed. Anyway, there you go. That's the Manson lathe cutting some brass. As you can see, the little lathe is now on its rather nice oak base, which I think suits it very well indeed. It's an impressive bit of kit. I think it's just absolutely amazing, and if any of you out there get the chance to pick one of these up at even a remotely reasonable cost, I thoroughly recommend it. Okay, that's it for now. The Manson lathe cutting some brass. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.